Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo Course, the pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for the last opened collections. Here in this section of the course, Fowl is not the focus, by the way. You can see in this menu that you have all test collections, DDD, some of the different ABC collections, because the directory is different in different drives, different locations, and different backups. So that is the history of the last 10 collections you have opened. In case you open more than 10, you will have the 10 most recent ones. If I have my collection here, the learning Supermemo 7, 2, and 5 are different backups, the English, slides, and some other dummy collections. This is like a shortcut, that instead of going to open collection, oh, it's not here, it's in a different place, let me go here, then Supermemo, not the copy, systems, oh, that's the one I want, the priorities, right? Too much trouble. So this is like shortcut, that it was, where it is, priorities was the last 3. I click, and I load this right away. As easy as that. And I can go back, because now the previous one will always be on top, because I just changed the collection. So I can go back super quick. Then, if for you only have one single collection, one only, and this is making noise that I really want this to be gone, you can actually do that. And it's by editing the ini file. It's not as advanced as it may seem. And feel free to watch this video. How to clear recently opened collection list in Supermemo. It's just 1 minute. And in case you have more than 10, assuming are not backups, wow, I'm impressed. Not many people have more than 10 collections. Genuine collections they use regularly. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.